Hello everyone. In this video, I'll explain how to transfer money from PayPal to an American Express card or account. PayPal doesn't allow direct transfers to Amex credit cards, but there's a simple workaround using your linked bank account. First, log into your PayPal account and make sure your American Express card or bank is connected. If you haven't already, add your Amex bank account details under the Wallet section. Once it's linked and confirmed, go back to your PayPal dashboard and select Transfer Money. Choose Transfer to Bank, then pick your American Express bank account from the list. Enter the amount you want to move and confirm the transfer. Standard transfers usually take 1 to 3 business days, while instant transfers may be available depending on your Amex setup. After the money lands in your Amex account, you can use it to pay your American Express card balance, shop online, or manage it like regular funds. Remember, PayPal doesn't send money straight to a credit card, so the bank route is the reliable method. And that's how you move your PayPal funds to American Express quickly and securely. Subscribe the channel for more videos.